हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ परफ्यूम रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ एंड आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट लताफा यारा टूस फ्रेग्रेंस। नाउ दिस फ्रेग्रेंस इज जस्ट लॉन्च इन 2023, so relatively new in the market, and this is said to be a very beautiful kind of like a tropical sweet floral fragrance with lots of vanilla in it. So let's talk about this one in depth. I will share my review. What is the performance? Is it worth the price? Is it worth trying? And all of those details. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है. You've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So first, gonna talk about the packaging. It comes in this cardboard box, which is a proper like a mango yellow color with all these leafy patterns made on it in white, and ye embossed hai throughout. Like if you see, this is embossed, so kind of like a floral pattern which kind of looks like a wall painting to me. जैसे वॉल पेंटिंग हम करते हैं ना, बिल्कुल ये वैसा वाला फील, लुक एंड फील देता है. वेरी काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ वेरी आर्टिस्टिक ट्रॉपिकल वाइब. And this is all the details on the box. This is their holographic label right here, which shows you the quality assurance. And यहाँ पे इनका पूरा ingredients और वो सारे details यहाँ पे mentioned है. और पीछे की तरफ इसका MRP और वो सारे details mentioned है. And by the way, इसकी MRP is 2500 and you get around 100 ml of product. Box open करने पर this is how the perfume looks. Now, I am not a huge fan of this packaging. I like the color, but I don't really vibe with this kind of like a very plastic packaging. I would have rather preferred कि एक simple सी glass bottle होती गोल, उसके ऊपर का cap would have been this color, yellow color with this golden rim, and that's about it. मतलब इतना तामझाम मुझे बॉटल में पसंद नहीं है, but this is how the bottle looks like. Kind of like a bulky plastic bottle with this sort of a pattern made on it. Shape भी थोड़ा सा अलग है. As you can see, it's like a triangular shaped bottle, kind of like this, and this is the cap for it. This is also super lightweight and plasticky. I overall do not like the packaging of this one. I'll just be very vocal about it. And this is how the atomizer is, kind of like a rose gold color. Now let me just spray this one so that you can see the sprayer. तो इसका sprayer आप देख सकते हो, काफ़ी डिफ्यूज्ड प्रोडक्ट निकालता है ये, बट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द परफ्यूम पर स्प्रे इज़ लेस. उस वजह से मुझे इसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्प्रे करना पड़ता है देन यूजुअल, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि एक स्प्रे में इसका क्वांटिटी बहुत कम आता है. ये देखिए, तो डिफ्यूज़ होके ज़रूर आ रहा है बट क्वांटिटी बहुत कम आ रही है. तो मेरे लिए ये क्वांटिटी कम हो जाती है. तो मुझे, जैसे मैं यूजुअली 5 से 6 स्प्रे लगाती हूँ, इसके साथ मुझे करीब 10 स्प्रे लगाने पड़ते हैं. दैट इज़ माई जेनरिक ऑब्जर्वेशन. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द परफ्यूम एंड इट्स नोट्स, दिस इज़ अ वेरी गॉर्जियस tropical, sweet, floral, fruity, vanillic, powdery fragrance, right? Now, is it comparable to the original Yara? I feel like the only vanillic and the powdery part, जो मस्क का हैवी डोमिनेशन है लताफा यारा में, वो और वेनिला, ये दो चीज़ें इसमें काफ़ी कॉमन है, क्योंकि ये फ्रेग्रेंस भी मेरे ऊपर बहुत पाउडरी आती है, right? And again, it is the musk which is doing that in both the fragrances. That is the only similarity between Latafa Yara and Latafa Yara Toos for me. Now, where do things get different? In all the notes apart from the powderiness and vanilla. So this one has a very fruity and a super tropical opening. It opens up with a very ripe mango, coconut and passion fruit. Now all these three are super sweet in this. Mango is also super sweet, like almost imagine a mango like Alfonso, which is like super sweet और उसमें खट्टापन बहुत कम आता है. पहले मैं आपको बोलने वाली थी this is more like a बंगनपल्ली और it is more like a दशहरी आम, but no, I don't see the tartness of mango in this. मुझे सिर्फ मीठा मैंगो आ रहा है इसमें, and इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगा कि this is more like an Alfonso mango, right? तो ये किंग ऑफ मैंगोज अल्फोंसो मैंगो मुझे लगता है कि इसमें है. इट हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ कोकोनट क्रीमीनेस टू इट. तो इसमें जो कोकोनट है ना, वो फ्रेश कोकोनट वाटर वाला नहीं है. लिटरली जो फ्रेश कोकोनट को आप ग्रेट करते हो और उसको आप स्क्वीज़ करते हो, तो जो कोकोनट मिल्क उसमें से निकलता है, एक it's which is something which is very creamy, which is very soft, which is very sweet and very juicy in the same time. Like my mouth is literally watering when I'm saying this. it has that kind of a coconut creaminess to this fragrance. And then there is this passion fruit which is super strong in this. Again, it feels very pulpy, feels very juicy, feels very ripe and sweet. देन इसमें हल्के से पर्पल एंड वाइट फ्लोरल नोट्स ऐड होते हैं. जैस्मिन, ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम एंड हीलियोट्रोप गेट्स एडेड इन द मिडल नोट. नाउ द ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम फ्रूटी टू फ्लोरल इज जस्ट सीमलेस. आपको नहीं पता चलेगा कि ये ट्रांजिशन कब हुआ, क्योंकि दिस ओपन्स अप विथ एवरीथिंग इंटैक्ट. पूरे परफ्यूम के जर्नी में आपको कभी भी वो फ्रूटीनेस लॉस्ट नहीं होगी. दैट कोकोनट बैकग्राउंड, that milky coconut creaminess will not get lost. Right from the top note to the base note, and the journey is quite linear for this one, and you will not kind of miss out on any fruitiness or anything by the end of this journey. It will be an intact journey and a very linear journey. जैसे ही इसमें ये फ्लोरल नोट्स ऐड होते हैं, दैट्स व्हेन दिस परफ्यूम स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग लाइक अ फ्रूटी ट्रॉपिकल फ्लोरल. एंड ऑल्सो द फ्लोरलनेस इज काइंड ऑफ मीडियम. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्लोरल बहुत लाइट है या फ्लोरल बहुत डोमिनेटिंग है, बट पता चलता है कि फ्लोरल नोट्स हैं. उस टाइप का प्रेजेंस है जिसको बोलते हैं ना एक बहुत अच्छा बैलेंस बिटवीन फ्रूटी नोट एंड दिस. इट्स लाइक 1:1:1 रेशियो बिटवीन फ्रूटीनेस, फ्लोरलनेस एंड स्वीटनेस. It's a very well rounded and a very well balanced perfume. Then the vanilla, cashmere and musk kicks in. Now all these three notes are also quite dominating and play a crucial role. Vanilla की वजह से everything comes like a rounded fragrance. Vanilla just wraps everything together is what I feel. It also gives me a feel of a kind of like a mango ice cream or a mango shake, in which you have mixed coconut, you've grated coconut, you've added the coconut milk, you've added some you've added the mango pulp, you've added passion fruit ka pulp, you've added some milk in this, you've added kind of like a hint of sugar and vanilla in this, vanilla ice cream in this, and then aapne mixie chala di, and the juice, the shake, mango shake that you're getting, that is poured into this bottle, and added some of the woodiness to bring that maturity. So that's what it feels like. Now let's talk about the performance. तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि I usually put around 10 sprays of this or more. जब मैंने इसको सबसे पहले ट्राई किया था, I put 5 sprays of this, and by the end of 3 hours this was completely gone, and I was quite disappointed. I was like, maybe this is not macerated, maybe it's just non-performing kind of a fragrance, and my expectation versus reality was completely hit, and I was like, maybe this is not worth the hype. I mean, the fragrance is amazing, but if the performance is not there, it's not worth the money, right? That's what my mentality is. फिर मैंने सोचा 5 ही स्प्रे लगाए हैं ना, चलो दूसरे दिन थोड़ा बोल्ड होके ओवर स्प्रे करके फिर से एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. तब मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि इसके एक स्प्रे में ही परफ्यूम कम निकल रहा है. So I should have ideally started the experiment with 10 sprays. So I just went ahead and 10 स्प्रे मैंने लगा लिए, एंड उसके बाद मुझे काफ़ी डिफरेंस पता चला कि हाँ, ये प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा है, ये लास्ट कर पा रहा है 4 घंटे, एंड मुझे इसके विस्प कंटिन्यूसली आ रहे हैं. मतलब लिटरली हर 10 मिनट में इसका एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल विस्प आता है, एंड आपको पता चल जाता है कि हाँ, दैट परफ्यूम इज स्टिल देयर, बट it did not project to a distance. But others could not really experience the goodness of this fragrance. So the next day I went with 15 sprays of this fragrance, even somewhere between 15 and 18. Matlab I went ham basically with this. I just oversprayed, I went ham with it. And after that I got around 6 to 7 hours of longevity, and that was the longevity that I observed when I put it on my clothes. I got a good projection because my friends observed something sweet and tropical, and they did kind of like tell me कि कितनी प्यारी खुशबू है इसकी, मतलब कितनी नाजुक सी है, कितनी delicate सी है, कितनी feminine fragrance है. So I understood, okay, overspraying is the key with this fragrance. And after that, उतने स्प्रेज लगाने के बाद मुझे वो खुद के ऊपर भी वो विस्प आते जा रहे थे. for the entire day. Matlab that was not only for 7 hours, I got beyond 7 hours with that. And in fact मैं रात को when I took a shower and मैंने अपने t-shirt पे भी इसके करीब 7 से 8 स्प्रिट्स किए, and then I went off to sleep and I woke up with a very beautiful wisp of this fragrance. जब मैं सुबह उठी, I was brushing my teeth and I was getting the wisp of this fragrance and I was like ये अभी तक चल रहा है. तो I realized कि AC रूम में इसका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा था, एंड मैं जब बाहर धूप में गई और मैं ऑफिस में गई ट्रैवल करके, तब दैट इज़ व्हेन द परफॉर्मेंस did not, like, it was not very good and I had to overspray. So that's the kind of performance that I got out of this. So overall I don't mind overspraying this fragrance because it doesn't give me headache, and overspraying gave me an amazing performance. So that's what I've concluded. The fragrance is too good to pass on to. So I love the DNA of this one. It's a very likable DNA. It's a very people pleaser DNA. तो मुझे इसका DNA बहुत पसंद आया. तो I am heavily going to I'm going to tell you guys to try this. You cannot miss this in this summer season, especially. So appropriate to be worn in all the casual occasions and every single day, especially during summers. This is an amazing one to try. And all the tropical feel, the vacation feel that this one gives, it's like very fresh and very fresh, very creamy, a beautiful kind of like a fruity gourmand in my opinion, which is perfect for summers. Just because the scent profile is so amazing, I can get past the packaging. I just don't vibe with this bottle, but I am okay to kind of ignore the packaging and everything, just because I have fallen head over heels with this profile. I think this is a kind of fragrance which is like ageless and timeless. Anybody from their 20 plus and even teenagers can enjoy this fragrance. This is such a beautiful fragrance. It's kind of delicate, feminine, tropical, fruity, sweet, creamy, innocent kind of a fragrance. It's very well rounded, very well balanced, and overall I feel that the rating has to be kind of like 9 out of 10, even though the performance is not that great. For the scent profile, I don't mind spraying it after 4-5 hours again to refresh this one. So that's what I think, because I have fallen in love with the fragrance. So I think this is very good for the pricing, and this is duping Paco Rabanne's Fame, which is again a very famous mango fragrance, and that is also a latest release from Paco Rabanne. So this is duping that perfume, and I have personally tried that perfume on myself, and I got similar performance from Paco Rabanne also. And Paco Rabanne is like 6,000 7,000 ka perfume, so I was like usse better to uska dupe hi hai. So I'm happy with this one, and I actually highly recommend you to try this one. Beautiful tropical summer fragrance, period. So that brings us to the end of the video. That was my overall take for Lattafa Yara Tous. I think Lattafa is doing so good in the perfume market lately. Like one after the other, it just has amazing fragrances coming out. So the quality is just going top notch with every release that Lattafa has, and they are relatively priced fair for the quality of perfume that you're getting. So I'm like very happy with the way Lattafa is growing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this review and if it was helpful, do hit the like button. Share your opinions in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I will be back with more perfume content. See you. Bye.